Okay, sorry I couldn't record an intro, but jumping right in, you just see me peeling back the lace. I did have my hair cornrowed because I couldn't find anybody to cornrow it, so I really just slicked my hair back. You can see some of it's getting in the way, but I'm just taking the ORS grip gel and basically just going around my whole perimeter and then going to do 2 to 3 layers until I feel like it's tacky enough to lay down. So when it comes to lace glues and gels, I don't know what the difference is between the cool and heat setting when it comes to speeding up the drying process. But for this install, I used the cool setting and it basically just made my glue or gel tacky. So this is my second layer. I'm basically just going to go in with it another time after I let the first layer dry and then follow it up with another blow dry and then lay it down. So after I feel like the gel was tacky enough, you're just going to see me going in and pressing down the lace. I use the edge of my comb to really melt the lace in. So I don't know if it was the lace quality or if it was the product that I used, but as y'all can see, like the lace is kind of hard, so I was just trying to cut off as much as I can. But then I also went in with the ORS Fix It gel, and I tried to like melt it in, and that made it look all right, but at the same time, like it definitely wasn't the best. But I tried to just cover it up with baby hairs, so y'all gonna see that. To define my part, I used the LA Pro Grow Concealer in the color Fine. Since the knots are white, I just tried to put some makeup on there, but also on my lace I had put on some makeup too, so I was just making sure that the line was very noticeable. So yeah, the melt on this wasn't that good, but like I said, I just tried to cover it up with baby hairs the best way I can. Since it's blonde hair, I was trying to be dramatic, but at the same time I just wanted to disguise the lace, make it look like more natural, I feel like. Y'all, so y'all gonna hate me, but I wasn't able to do an outro either. I was in a rush because I had a photo shoot. It was actually my birthday photo shoot, so I'm just gonna insert some pictures here. So this is how it came out. It looked really good on pictures, and after I put on like a scarf and I pressed it out, it looked way better. So thank you for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and also just tell me in the comment section what more you guys want to see. Bye.